Hello everybody, welcome to my Film It Friday. If you want to see what I have been up to this week, then keep watching. I'm about to fall off the chair. So hello everybody, I hope everybody's had a really nice week. I am shattered. I am absolutely shattered and I cannot wait for my bed. I've had a bit of a crazy week. It's been one of those weeks where I've done like loads of like running around and little jobs, and then yesterday I went to work. I was on a late shift on my old ward that I was on for placement as a student, and it was so lovely to be back, and everyone was just so lovely and they nearly made me cry because they were like, oh my god, we're so happy to see you, and it was just like really lush. So yeah, I'm tired, really tired, and today I took my mum to buy a new lawnmower because I'm a nice person. We just went to B&Q and then went for lunch, and now I'm back. That's why I'm doing my Film It Friday at 20 to 4 on a Friday afternoon. So crochet wise, I have been doing this. It did not get finished in time, but it doesn't matter. A little girl's poncho for my niece who's 4. I'm just gonna carry on until I've run out of Baby Blossom Chunky. These are 3 for 2 in Hobbycraft at the moment, and you can also get if you get any type of discount, like student discount, you can also get it on top of their 3 for 2, which I didn't think that they would do, but they did. So that's the top tip. I still haven't done any of my Harry Potter dress, and I'm going on holiday next Saturday. So I need to start sewing. I need to put the skirt onto the dress. I also need to make, I've got 2 dresses that I need to shorten as well. This is all in a week. And I've also got to make this. Now I don't know whether, this is Turning the Buttons and it's a marigold pattern. So I don't know whether to make the jumpsuit or the trousers. So please do let me know in the comments below what you think, because I just think I'm really tempted to do this, but I want to wear it on the plane, and it's the whole like toilet situation on the plane. And I said to Megan earlier about, can you imagine if I was sat on the loo and I'd had this, made this and worn this, and I'm sat on the toilet and somebody opens the door and the whole aircraft like sees me top off and me sat on the loo. So yeah, leave a comment below, trousers or jumpsuit. Don't forget we have our crochet along starting on Monday the 1st of April. It is a Tinderbox Rebecca jumper. It is a really simple, easy jumper. It's an adult size. There's size, I think there's extra small to XXXL, it might be XXL, I'm not sure. I'll leave the link to the pattern and I'll pop all the information on Crochet Beginners group, so there's still time to join in. And I have got my Robin Chunky, so I'm doing the main colour in this, and then around the bottom and the cuffs in this silver. If anybody wants to use Robin Chunky, it is a really good budget yarn. It's about £1.99, £2 a ball. But if you go onto Wool Warehouse and use the code CBG, all in capitals, 10, you can get 10% off your order from Wool Warehouse, but it doesn't include Attic 24 yarn packs or sale stuff. Book wise, I have nearly finished Pet Cemetery and I am loving it. It is proper creeping me out, and I love being creeped out. I love horror, I love anything Stephen King, but this is like epic. I'm just really enjoying it. I've only got a few more pages. I'd probably say I've got about 50 pages and then I am done. Sunday, if you are watching this, sorry my lovely, this is the book. I will take it with me on holiday and I will post it to you. I don't want it back, it's fine. It cost me £1 in the pound shop. So you are, it's a bit dusty, sorry. You are more than welcome. You are more than welcome to have it. I honestly don't want it back. PM me your address and I will stick it in the post when I get over to your side of the world. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I'm going away next week. I don't fly very well, but luckily the doctor, I managed to get some diazepam from the doctor, which is really good. So I'm going to take a few of those before I fly, because otherwise I ain't flying anywhere. Yeah, that is it. That's all I've done. Like I said, I've had a really bitty week, so apologies. I'm going to try and get a video up for Sunday. I don't know what stitch I'm going to do for New Stitch Sunday, but I will have a think. Yeah, so that is it. I'm sorry it's not very interesting and I am shattered, but yeah. If you want to join Crochet Beginners Group, I will leave all the links below. You can also find the link to my blog and my Instagram page. And yeah, that is it. And I will speak to you all soon. So happy crocheting.